Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1. Thailand outlines fighter jet replacement plans. The Royal Thai Air Force has unveiled its 2024 white paper outlining a comprehensive plan for modernizing its military capabilities. The 74-page document details the acquisition of unmanned aerial vehicles, missiles, and most importantly, new fighter aircraft to replace its aging fleet. They have stated that its intention to invite bids from various countries including the United States, China, Russia, and India. Next. DRDO's LRDE makes progress on cooling system for AESA radar of Su-30 Mk1. The DRDO Electronics and Radar Development Establishment has achieved a significant milestone in the development of the upgraded Su-30 Mk1 fighter jet. LRDE has confirmed the effectiveness of its vapor cycle cooling system (VCM), designed to manage the heat generated by the aircraft's powerful new active electronically scanned array radar. Next. Uncrewed tech for IOR dominance. The Indian Navy is gearing up for a technological leap with significant investments in unmanned underwater vehicles to solidify its control over the Indian Ocean region. The strategic move aims to safeguard Indian interests and deter adversaries from exploiting vulnerabilities in the region's vast underwater domain. Next. Women behind Agni 5 MIRV program. Sheena Rani, a woman of Malayali descent hailing from Thiruvananthapuram, played a pivotal role in the triumphant launch of India's Divyastra Agni 5 ballistic missile. Serving as the DRDO mission director, she orchestrated the mission with precision, bringing immense pride to the nation with the resounding success of Mission Divyastra. Her exemplary leadership was lauded by none other than the Prime Minister himself, who hailed her as Divya Putri during the announcement of the missile's test success. Next. US asked India to share vision of free Indo-Pacific region. Reaffirming the vision of a free and open Indo-Pacific after India tested the Agni 5 missile with MIRV technology, the United States said that it will continue to work as a partner with India and other countries in the region. Next. India was dependent on foreign countries for defense needs for weapons before 2014. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said that the government prior to 2014 deliberately kept India dependent on foreign countries for its defense needs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with delegates from more than 30 countries, witnessed the war exercise Bharat Shakti at the Pokhran field firing range in Jaisalmer district. Next. China backs Maldives. China said on Tuesday that it supports the Maldives in safeguarding its sovereignty as the first batch of Indian military personnel operating a helicopter left the island nation and was replaced by a civilian crew. Indian military personnel stationed in the Maldives manning the operations of a helicopter left the country after handing over the operations of the chopper to an Indian civilian crew, the Maldives media reported on Monday. Thank you.